Let's go. Good. Now, let me show you something. Let me show you something from, they say we have few time to go. So let me show you something with Excel. Match analysis is here. Good. This is the trading data. So let me open. Show you something on the Excel. Those who are wanted to know how to type the Excel, it means we have used our first time to be doing these things. You see, if you pick the questionnaire, hey, Madam Millicent, I should give you a step-by-step way again. Please just watch the video. I don't know the step-by-step analysis you want way to install the thing again. I did this last time. I did it again, and I've come to do it today. And I said, I will share the video. So follow, because that is why I didn't even install it on my machine. I installed it here with you. So if Madam listen, you were late, you just follow what we did and you install the same thing. The questionnaire, let me give you some important information on questionnaire. I wanted to type, let's say I gave it in a paper form like this to somebody, and the person tick mail. Take the middle one, tick it. So you see the person is ticking. Then you come here, the person will come and take, let's say, the 5, take 4, take 5. Okay, so the person has done the ticking. I want to type this one in Excel. So I'm going to teach you how we type questionnaire in Excel. Although it was not part of the plan, but let me add it. How to type questionnaire in Excel. The gender you saw. The gender, let me show it to you. The gender like this. The gender you have seen, the male and female. You bring it on one of the row like that. Then the next question will come. You see, it will be in a horizontal form. So when some of you, when they ask you to type questionnaire, you are suffering. Age in the Excel, I will advise you always type your questionnaire and responses in Excel. Bring the age here. You see, all the questions will be on top. Let's go and see the next question. The next question is about education. So as soon as you see that it's about education, you write education here. The next question is about work experience. So in the Excel, let me show it to you in the Excel. The experience comes here. So you see all the questions will be listed up. Let me show you the next one at this column. One question under the organizational culture. The organizational culture in my workplace fosters open communication among employees. So I have this information. I will copy that question. And in the Excel, look at something. In the Excel, you paste it here. So you see that question is here. The organizational culture in my workplace fosters good open communication among employees. So you paste it here. In one, what do you call it? Is a column? Yes. Then the next question will come here. So let's go to the work again.
Please, is the questionnaire that is still showing? The Excel is not showing.
Oh, that's all. I think I'm showing the entire screen and the Excel is not showing.
You are sharing the entire screen.
You said?
You are sharing the entire screen. I've been seeing it.
You have been seeing? Yes.
You are moving up and down. Like,
I'm showing everything. So then your network will boss. Then you copy this thing. Then in the Excel, you come back again to paste it here. So you see, all the questions will line up there. All the questions will line up there. So the last question. So all the questions are here. So the last question. I'm teaching all these things. It just came in mind to teach you because it's very, very important. People don't know how to enter their questionnaire in Excel. And when you give it to somebody to also do for you, the person is charging you. So learn it. This 100 cedis, you must benefit from it. Now, the first person will take the second row. The first person tick May, so you come and write May. The person take 31 to 40 years, write it here. The person said he's having second degree, write it here. The person takes 79 to 7 to 9 years, bring it here. The person said this one is agreed. See the questionnaire. On top of the question, it says that 1 is disagree, 2 is disagree, I strongly disagree, and 2 is disagree. 3 is neutral, 4 is agree. So I will advise you, please, this advice there is a professional advice I'm giving you. Those who will take, you will take it for free. Very, very important. What advice am I giving? I am advising that instead of you to write here, agree, use the numbers. Instead of saying agree, just take 4, write 4, because that was what the person was answering. So if the person take 5, that is strongly agree, you write 5 here. So instead of you to write agree here, you write 4. You go to the next one. Instead of you to write agree to, you write 4. You go to the next one, 4. It means that's what the person take. You go to the next one, it becomes 5. You go to the next one, that one is also strongly agree, 5. You go to the next one, it's agree, 4. This is what I mean. So I would advise you be using the numbers instead of this writing. If not, there is something maybe I might teach you or not. And that one, if you don't know that thing, and you wrote your questionnaire in agree, disagree, like what I've done here, you cannot export it or import it into the SPSS. You cannot. So that is how we type them in it. You come to the third row, you pick the second person's questionnaire. What the person will answer, just be taking them under. The third person, the fourth person, the fifth person, it will follow. It will follow. So please, let's take note of that. Now let's go here. We want to bring the data into SPSS. I told you, I will advise you, type your work in Excel, because every software takes the Excel. You can put it in SAS, eView, and everything. So any software you get, you can use the Excel to do. Somebody says, so if you have 300 hard copies, you must type all one by one. Yes, one by one. Yes. Those who did it in Google Form, those who have learned how to type it in Google Form, that one is not part of our training, so I'm not going to talk about it. But if you know how to type it in Google Form, like the data I'm showing you now, this one, I type it in Google Form, and when they were responding, they responded it in the Google Form. Immediately you download from the Google Form, it will come in an Excel format like this. Everything type inside. Everything type inside. Let's take note of that. That one is the Google Form. So if you don't know how to do it in the Google Form, and your supervisor says that gather the data with face-to-face gathering, in that case, this is how we type it. You must type all. This one, I think they were about 200 people. So you type everything. You type everything like this. 200 people responded also. Yeah. There were 200 people. When you see 201, it means 200 people, because the first row was taken by the questions. I hope we are learning something now. We will go now. You come to the file, you come to imports. You go to, if you have saved it Excel, click on Excel. Then it will take you to your machine. Go and locate it where the file is on your machine. When you reach where the file is, do you know something? If it is Excel, the Excel will show. The Excel will show. Automatically, the Excel will show down there. If it is not Excel, the Excel will not show. Let us take note of that. You go, and when we come, I'll do the import for you. Then we do the first analysis. We'll do the first analysis with that one. So let us take note of that. You can go and download. I'm going to share the